In a mirrorless world packed with innovation, competition, and countless compromises, Fujifilm stands out as a brand that still dares to do things differently. The Fujifilm X-T6 isn't just another iteration, it's a camera that refines the soul of the X series while finally delivering on long-requested pro features. It's still stylish, still retro, unapologetically Fujifilm, but under that familiar skin, everything has changed: the sensor, the processor, the autofocus, the video, the ergonomics. It's not just an upgrade, it's a rebirth. So today, we're diving into a full, in-depth review of the Fujifilm X-T6. Whether you're a die-hard Fuji shooter, a hybrid content creator, or a pro looking for a powerful second body, this is the one video that will tell you everything you need to know. We're going through every single detail: build quality, image performance, autofocus tracking, video specs, menus, workflow, and more. Let's go! Let's start with the design, because with Fujifilm, aesthetics matter. The X-T6 retains the iconic SLR-inspired body that has defined the X-T line since its inception. But look closely and you'll see the refinement. The edges are smoother, the lines are more deliberate, and the ergonomics noticeably improved. The grip is now deeper and more contoured, making the X-T6 more comfortable to hold for extended sessions. Whether you're running a 23mm f1.4 for prime or the heavier X f50 to 140mm f2.8 zoom, the camera feels balanced in the hand. Fujifilm has listened to feedback here. Top dials for ISO, shutter speed, and exposure compensation remain, staying true to the tactile control scheme that fans have come to love. But the resistance and feedback have been tweaked. Every click feels more intentional, more premium. The front and rear command dials are now pressable and more responsive. It feels tight, mechanical, professional. Weather sealing has also been improved, offering resistance to dust, moisture, and cold in more extreme conditions. The magnesium alloy chassis remains tough but lightweight, and the finish resists scratches surprisingly well. This is a camera that invites you to shoot, that encourages you to slow down, frame deliberately, and enjoy the process. That's always been the Fuji charm, and it's alive and well in the X-T6. Now let's get into the heart of the camera, its imaging pipeline. The Fujifilm X-T6 features a brand new 40-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor paired with the updated X processor 5. This combo is a game changer. At 40 megapixels, you might think this is purely about resolution, but it's more than that. The new sensor boasts a back-illuminated architecture with better light-gathering capabilities, enhanced dynamic range, and superior color response. The detail retention is phenomenal. Whether you're cropping in post or printing at large scale, the files hold up with surgical precision. ISO performance is impressive. Base ISO is now 125, and dynamic range extends cleanly up to ISO 3200 with minimal noise. Even at ISO 6400, detail is well preserved, and color doesn't fall apart. It's not a full-frame sensor, sure, but it punches far above its weight. The 14-bit RAW files give you excellent headroom in post. Shadows recover beautifully, highlights roll off gently. Combined with Fujifilm's renowned color science, you're working with files that are not only technically strong, but emotionally resonant. JPEG shooters also benefit here. Fujifilm's in-camera processing is arguably the best in the business, and with the X-T6's new sensor and processing engine, film simulations look better than ever, more refined, more nuanced, more finished. Straight out of the camera, this is the best image quality we've seen yet in an X-series body, period. Fujifilm's color science has always been a huge part of its identity. It's the secret sauce that turns ordinary scenes into timeless images. And with the X-T6, that legacy continues, but with a little more sophistication. The film simulations are still here, and there are now more of them than ever. You've got your classic chrome for muted, cinematic street looks, Provia and Velvia for punchy contrast and saturation, Acros for rich, textured monochrome, Eterna and Eterna bleach bypass for soft, cinematic tones. And now, the much-loved nostalgic neck simulation brings a creamy, vintage warmth that's quickly becoming a fan favorite. But beyond the names, what matters is how the camera renders color. Skin tones are natural but flattering, blues stay deep and rich without turning neon. Greens have that Fuji pastel look, subtle, organic, not overly digital. What's new is how consistent the color remains across lighting conditions. Indoor tungsten, Harsh daylight, even mixed scenes, the X-T6 handles them gracefully. That's the advantage of the new processor and improved auto-white balance algorithms. And if you like to tweak, the camera now allows finer customization of film sim recipes. Adjust tone curves, saturation, clarity, color chrome effects, bake your style right into the JPEG. In a world of raw-first workflows, Fujifilm reminds us that sometimes the most artistic image is the one that's already perfect in camera. Autofocus has traditionally been Fujifilm's Achilles heel, never terrible, but always a step behind Sony and Canon. With the X-T6, that narrative changes. This is the first X-series camera where autofocus doesn't just feel competent, it feels professional, powered by a next-gen processor and advanced deep learning algorithms. Subject detection is dramatically more intelligent and reliable. The X-T6 can now track people, animals, birds, cars, motorcycles, and even airplanes with a level of accuracy and confidence that rivals top-tier competitors. IAF has taken a major leap forward. It's faster, more precise, and significantly more dependable than what we saw on the X-T4 or even the X-T5. You can now shoot wide open, recompose freely, and trust that the camera will stay locked on the eye without hunting or dropping focus. In real-world use, it just works, which is something Fuji users haven't always been able to say with confidence. Continuous autofocus AFC is another area where Fuji has closed the gap. Tracking performance feels stickier, smoother, and less prone to error. Whether you're shooting sports, wildlife, or energetic kids, the X-T6 handles erratic movement much better than previous models. Combine that with high-speed burst rates, 15 FPS with the mechanical shutter and 30 FPS with the electronic shutter in crop mode, and you've got a camera that genuinely keeps up with fast-paced action. The rolling shutter is also well-controlled thanks to the improved sensor readout speed. Low light AF is better, too. The X-T6 can focus down to 7E when paired with supported lenses, and more importantly, the algorithm seems smarter in identifying and latching onto subjects in dim conditions. Whether you're in a dark event venue or shooting handheld at dusk, autofocus performance holds up far more consistently than before. For hybrid shooters juggling both stills and video, this evolution in autofocus truly changes the game for Fujifilm. The X-T6 finally feels like a camera built not just for enthusiasts, but for demanding professionals. Now let's talk video, and yes, the X-T6 is finally a serious contender in the hybrid game. It can shoot 6.2000 open gate video up to 30 fps, 4K 6OP with full sensor readout, and 10-bit for 2.222 internal recording. It also supports F-Log for increased dynamic range, external ProRes RAW and Blackmagic RAW by HDMI, and full support for all-I and long GOP byte rates. This is a huge upgrade over the X-T4 and puts the X-T6 right up there with dedicated video bodies. In terms of spec, video autofocus is vastly improved, eye tracking works reliably in motion, and subject detection helps maintain sharpness even in complex scenes. You also get IBIS, and digital is working together for surprisingly smooth handheld shots. The camera includes a headphone jack, a mic input, and a full-size HDMI port. There's no fan, but it doesn't overheat even in long-form shooting scenarios. The new menu system for video is also more streamlined and easier to navigate, and let's not forget, all of this comes with Fujifilm's signature color. Film sims are available in video to Eterna, Classic Chrome, even Nostalgic Neg, so if you want that timeless Fuji look straight out of the camera, it's just a button away. Whether you're shooting documentaries, YouTube content, client, interviews, or short films, the X-T6 delivers pro-level video without needing a second camera. Feels professional. Powered by a next-gen processor and advanced deep learning algorithms, subject detection is dramatically more intelligent and reliable. The X-T6 can now track people, animals, birds, cars, motorcycles, and even airplanes with a level of accuracy and confidence that rivals top-tier competitors. IEF has taken a major leap forward. It's faster, more precise, and significantly more dependable than what we saw on the X-T4 or even the X-T5. You can now shoot wide open, recompose freely, and trust that the camera will stay locked on the eye without hunting or dropping focus. In real-world use, it just works, which is something Fuji users haven't always been able to say with confidence. Continuous autofocus AFC is another area where Fuji has closed the gap. Tracking. Performance feels stickier, smoother, and less prone to error. Whether you're shooting sports, wildlife, or energetic kids, the X-T6 handles erratic movement much better than previous models. Combine that with high-speed burst rates 15 FPS with the mechanical shutter and 30 FPS with the electronic shutter. In crop mode, Dan, you've got a camera that genuinely keeps up with fast-paced action. The rolling shutter is also well controlled thanks to the improved sensor readout speed. Low light AF is better, too. The X-T6 can focus down to 7 EV when paired with supported lenses, and more importantly, the algorithm seems smarter in identifying and latching onto subjects in dim conditions. Whether you're in a dark event venue or shooting handheld at dusk, autofocus performance holds up far more consistently than before. For hybrid shooters juggling both stills and video, this evolution in autofocus truly changes the game for Fujifilm. The X-T6 finally feels like a camera built not just for enthusiasts, but for demanding professionals. No camera system is complete without the glass to support it, and here's where the X-T6 benefits from Fujifilm's mature lens ecosystem. You have a wide range of XF lenses to choose from, ultra-fast primes like the XF56mm f. 1.2 RWR workhorse, ZOOMS like the XF16 to 55mm f to 0.8, and specialty glass like the 8mm f, 3.5 for ultra-wide perspectives. The build quality across the XF line is excellent, and most newer models are weather-sealed to match the X-T6's durability. Autofocus performance is optimal with these native lenses thanks to firmware tuning and updated linear motors. They're sharp, they're fast, and they're designed to complement the resolving power of the new 40-megapixel sensor. Third-party options are expanding to Sigma, Viltrox, Tamron, and others are offering native X-mount lenses that cover everything from ultra-wide to long telephoto. And for creatives who love vintage rendering, you can adapt classic glass from Nikon, Canon FD, Minolta, or even Leica, and manual focus aids like magnification and peaking make legacy lenses a joy to use. Whether you want character, precision, or convenience, the X-T6 has a lens solution that fits, and that's what makes this system truly flexible. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.